how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. So if you want image to PDF on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your files, or you can go with your photos and select a photo that you would like to convert to a PDF. For example, I've selected one. Once you've selected, you need to go with share, which is on the bottom left. And once you tap on share, you need to just scroll down and you will find an option of print. Tap on print. And once you tap on print, you need to go with the share icon again, which is on the top right, and it will create PDF. Now your PDF document has been created. You need to tap on save to files, or you can also go with more option and download it to your device. I'll just simply go with save to files. Tap on save again, which is on the top right. And that's it. Now if you go back and open up your files, and here you will have your PDF. That's it. That's how you can convert image to a PDF on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.